nose gear. With the nose gear. Jumbo by Nelson. Side divergent. Jumbo. Possession black. Next possession white. Left by Antanya, miss. Rebound by Bondo. Bondo to Edgar Juan to Santos. Santos dribbling in the middle to Bondo. Bondo, Orenda in fakes to Scout. Scout looking for a cutter. Scout in the middle. Scout fakes. Scout turn around to Edgar Juan. Edgar Juan takes shot. Miss. Rebounded by Sting. Fernandez to Ryan release the ball, the commissioner. Right the knockout game. Commissioner to Fernandez to Sing Karim. What a cut! Rebounded by Benegas, take a shot and makes it. 2 points by Benegas. Number 44 for the black team. Scout in the middle. Dribbling. Take a shot. And breaks it. Cesar Raya, counted by Juan. To Arcanya. Arcanya and top. Arcanya to Judy Fernandez. Counted by Santos. Santos to Benegas. Benegas again and miss it. Rebounded by Singh. Fernandez to Raya. Easy shot by Raya and miss it. Rebounded by Juan. Juan bringing the ball. Juan. Lose the ball. It's white ball. Hold by the referee. 3-2. 1 point game. To Bondo. To Santos. Take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Fernandez. Fernandez to Raya. Last 3 minutes. Raya to Singh. To Fernandez. Fernandez on top. Fernandez to Benegas. Benegas to Arcanya. What a ball movement. Miss it. Rebounded by Bondo. Bondo to Juan dribbling the ball. Juan to Jude Pirata-Uy. Santos take a shot. Miss it. In and out. Miss it. What's the goal, Rick? Side ball. Spike ball. Inbounded by Jude Pirata-Uy. To Edgar Juan. To Jude Pirata-Uy. To Santos take a shot. Miss it. Inbounded by Fernandez. Raya dribbling the ball. Again. Raya. Bounded by Juan. Raya to Singh. Singh takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Raya. Takes a shot. Back it in. 4-3. 1 point game. Bondo. Dribbling the ball. Bondo. There's a foul. What a hasty move by Bondo. 34 foul. One side. 1 minute and 30. Side here. 1 minute and something. 1 something. Edgar Juan to Bondo. To Santos. What a pass. There's a foul. 2 shots. Number 34 foul. 2 fouls by Singh. 2 fouls by Singh. There's a foul. Good Pirata-Uy. Line.
55 seconds para
Miss it. Second shot. First shot missed by Jude Pirata-Uy. Second shot. Makes it. All 4. Nice ball. Scorer. All 4. Desaraya. Sa target. At kaya balon again. 30 seconds. Benegas take a shot. In and out by Benegas. Santos. Santos ready to go. Second seconds to go. Santos to Bondo. Bondo take the shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Benjegas. Seconds to go. 12 seconds to go. Raya. 9 seconds to go. Sing drive. Miss it. Rebounded by Sing. Miss it again. It's time for a bulungan game.
Aso.
All four. Pare, kwenta. Madali. All four. All four. Wala kaya. Lamang ang 4-4.
Double.
Lamang ang referee. Lamang ang referee. Patimbang na patimbang. Ang lamang. Huwag lang titibayin yung system. White ball. Next possession block. Next possession block. White ball, next possession block. Bongsolidad. Bouncy, bongsolidad. Bouncy. Bouncy to Arvin Santos. Santos takes a shot. Nothing back net. Woo! 6-4. Nothing back net by Arvin Santos.
Ang inis!
Sarayan, Fernandez fakes. Fernandez lose the ball. Fernandez, get in. Offensive. What a defense by Bongsolidad. Bongsolidad. Dribbling the ball. Bongsolidad. Dribbling the ball. Bouncy. Almost lose the ball. Bongsolidad. To Arvin Santos. Take a shot. In and out. Rebounded by Vegas. Kaya, controlling the ball. Crossing the line. To Fernandez to Merote. Morato lose the ball. Merote. Okay. Inakta drive. And makes it on the left side. Left hand.
Jabar!
It's a 4-point game. Rayat again. Not handled by anybody. Just really dribbling the ball. To Arcaña. And miss it. Rebounded by Benjegas. To Arcaña. That's a foul. Number 5 foul. 2 shots. By the commissioner. First team foul. First foul. Kerwin. First foul.
So, helmet nila ganyan eh.
Okay, first shot made by Cesar Rayat. 8-5. Second shot. Last throw. Another big shot. 8-6. 2 minutes and 46 seconds left. 2-point game. 2-point game. Santos dribbling the ball. Santos to Inakta makes. Inakta misses shot. Rebounded by Benjegas. Benjegas dribbling the ball. Benjegas to Merote. Takes a shot. Easy shot by Merote. It's a tie game. Merote. Easy 2 shot by Merote. Bongsolidad. To scout. Mario Berlin. Inakta takes the 4th shot. Miss it. Rebounded. Was ball rep. Black ball. It's a tie game. Rayat dribbling the ball. Rayat to Merote. Merote takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Erwin Santos. To Sinicero takes a 3. Miss it. Another rebound by Santos. To Bongsolidad. Nice shot by Bongsolidad. 2 points.
Ang tulis ng Chico!
Bongsolidad, 2 points. Sinicero. Sinicero natin si Rayat. Sa foul. First team foul. Second team foul. Second team foul.
Foul! Foul! Foul!
Arcana. Arcana, take a shot. What's the goal, man? Offensive foul by Arcana. 40 seconds to go. Not counted, ha? Not counted.
Nice defense, Baldok!
Warning back for penalty. Warning back.
Baba!
Penalty.
Kapagasa!
Warning. Seconds to go. 27 seconds to go. 23 seconds to go. Seconds to go. Bodog. Seconds to go. On the line. White ball on the side. Seconds to go. 11 seconds to go. 11 seconds to go. Quality foul. Ryan. Bench Warner. It's a tight game. 2-point game. Favor of White. Next ball back. Next ball back. Yeah, by the White team. Lako. Inbound by Commissioner. Next possession, White. Arcana takes a shot. Miss it. Lako. 7 foul. 7 foul. 13 foul. 13 foul. Bounded by Fernandez. Fernandez to Raya. 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 Raya takes a shot. Easy shot by Raya. Ating batter. Raya. 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 Ote. Raya. Raya. Oh! Missed not by Jutuy. Intercepted by Singh. Arcana. Arcana. Singh takes a shot.
Ay!
Wow! Nothing but net by Singh. 13-10. James Pebo. Konsolidad. Oh! It's a bucket. Bucket. It's a bucket. Lako. Violation.
Isa pa!
What a shot by Singh! Another one just looks like. Another one just looks like.
Ang kagaling!
Konsolidad drives and makes it. 13-12 is a 1-point game. What an intercept by Konsolidad. Another intercept by Edgar Juan. Edgar Juan in the middle to Cenicero. Cenicero fakes to Edgar Juan to Konsolidad again. Back to by Konsolidad.
Ang galing ni Soledad!
Konsolidad, ang galing mo.
Oh, Soledad!
2 by 2 by
Ang galing
Konsolidad.
mo, Bong! Idol!
Sarap. Arcana, easy shot. Miss it. Rebounded.
Nice one!
Oh! Fernandez, Perote. Wow, what a rebound by Perote. Uyu, Perata yun. Rebound na si Perata.
Dito na si Yorme.
Fernandez. Bring the first free throw. Miss. Second shot. Second shot. Miss again. Rebounded by Arcana. Arcana. Miss again. To Singh. Singh takes a shot. Thanks, Memo. It's a battle royale. It's a 6-2 game. 16-14. 1 game. Favor of luck. What a defense by Dorome.
Score!
Oh, miss. Rebounded by Fernandez.
Lise! Scorer!
What a big defense by the black team.
Lastar!
Raya.
Minuti!
Mirote, easy shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Juan. Juan dribbling the ball in the middle. Juan lays it up and miss it. Rebounded by
Kulang!
Raya in the middle. Mirote. Oh, missed the shot. Oh, Fernan. Sinicero. And Juan. And easy to. It's a tie game.
Change favor!
1 point game, sorry, 1 point game. The mga white. 16-15. It's a 1 point game.
Patay!
What? Scores a missing shot. Sinicero. Tugong sunidad. 1 minute game. 1 minute. To Sinicero. Sinicero handled by Raya. Edgar Juan. What a play. To Sinicero. Face.
Ano?
Sinicero takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Fernandez to Raya. Hello. Raya.
Double!
Ay, hindi naman pumasok. Hindi pa rin pumasok.
30 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go. Sinicero. Edgar Juan. Peralta, uy. Wow, wow. 10 seconds to go. To Raya.
Wala!
Seconds to go. 17-16.
Pag release ng galing ito, labas sa akin. Hindi na paborin natin walang pula.
Katignan ko.
Marco! Last 5 minutes, 2 seconds.
Traveling talaga, bay. Ginawakan ulit eh. Dalawang kamay, tapos dalawang kamay ulit pinangunahan.
Tagal siya.
Traveling.
Scout Bondok. Scout Bondok there. With Santos. Next shot. Miss it. Rebounded by one ball. Called by the referee. Galing ng referee. Nakakagano maglaro. Umiinga. Who's scoring? One ball. Oh, what a bad pass! What a bad pass by Elaka! Six! There's a foul!
Yun.
18 foul!
Dapat tinira mo!
18 foul!
Matis ka na nga, hindi mo pa tinira.
Second foul, Bondok.
Hindi mo lang sinili.
Bondok! That's your second foul, Bondok.
Tira!
Fernandez!
Ayaw!
Hindi, sabi ka dapat ano doon.
Fernandez, see, take a shot! Santos Pex! Santos on Sinicero! To Scout Bondok! Scout! Sinicero take a shot! Miss it! Rebounded by Elaka! Wala rebounded by Elaka! 18-17!
James Gorky!
Sito pa! Sa sito pa! 3 minutes and 10 seconds mo. 18-17! Sing! Lose the ball! No, black ball. Sorry. Black ball. Next time. Black ball. Scout Bondok! Jun Peralta, uy! Jun Peralta, Scout Bondok! Ito Sinicero! Larry Santos! Charge!
Tatlo na! Tatlo na!
Sa corner!
Wala hindi.
17.
Kala niyo sin, foul na
Raya.
Iyak
Raya.
si Sinan.
Huli.
Wow! Walang defense pa rin Nakta! Enak sa defense! Wow! Raya! Raya! Raya, Grace! Fernandez! Gusto mo! Berote gusto mo!
Ang lakas mo magpasa kasi.
Nice ball movement, but the defense is good. Boom! Sinister takes a chance. Miss it again. Sing mo. Sing to Raya. Raya. Scout Bondok got the ball. In the middle, Scout. Scout takes a shot. Lebron Bondok. Raya. Raya. Wala power move by Raya. Sing takes a shot. Miss it. Wow, wala defense by. Wow.
Yes, yes.
Nice game. Cenicero. Bondok. Nice shot. Venegas. Venegas. Fernandez.
Masyadong makapasa.
Too fancy. 6 to go. Inakta. Easy shot by Inakta. Miss it. Inbounded by Sing. Intercepted by Bondok. Bondok. Second to go. And second to go. Second to go. To Eric Santos. Two shots, rep. 1 second. 1 second. Ano gusto mo na pa? 1 second na pa. Next court, fight goal. Pagpalitin mo. Teka, pagpalitin lang. Oh, third quarter. Maliwanag yung pare, ha? Teka lang. Okay. Time, good. Already. Ready. Hey, I'm in. There you go. Okay, Santos. Santos take the shot. Miss it. Lako.
Tinapayo eh.
Sinisero. Raya. Raya, call it. Raya to Venegas. Venegas. Drive. Miss it. Rebounded by Virote. Venegas again. So Arcaña. Arcaña, there's a foul. 61. Orendoy. Shot left. Shots. Orendoy first foul. Made by Arcaña, first shot. 1 point. 18-21. Second shot made by Arcaña. It's a 2-point game. It's a 2-point game only. It's a CISO game. Santos to Bong. Bong fakes. Bong premier Bong. Bong. Bong to Inakta. There's a foul. What a play. What a shot by Inakta. 2 shots. 44 black. Ilan ba yung 44 pare? First foul, number 44. Missed the shot. White team is struggling on their free throw. Black team is catching up. Another miss. Rebounded by Venegas. Venegas to Arcaña to Raya. Miss shot by Arcaña. Arcaña dribbling the ball. Arcaña to Raya. To save. Arcaña. Arcaña fakes. To Raya. Lose the ball. Edgar Juan to Inakta. Edgar Juan. Lose the ball. Foul. 34 back. 3 fouls. Sing, 3 fouls. Santos. Santos. Santos on top. Already takes a shot. Miss it. Ako. 1 minute and 50 seconds. It's a 2-point game. Raya to Sing. Sing takes a 3. The box is open. It's the 21. It's Memo. Konsolidad. Konsolidad bringing the ball. Huli ni Mirote. Raya. Wala ni place by Mirote. To Benyegas. Benyegas. Benyegas to Mirote. Walang miss by Mirote. Konsolidad. Konsolidad in the middle. Konsolidad. 2-1. Miss it. In and out by Juan. Rebounded by Sing. Raya. Raya moving the ball. Raya. Raya. Raya moving the ball. To Arcanya. 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 Arcanya takes a 3. Miss it. Rebounded by Arcanya. Rebounded by Juan. Juan. Konsolidad. 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 Konsolidad drives. And miss it. Rebounded by Sing. Sing moving the ball. Sing. Sing to Arcanya. Arcanya. To Raya. To Mirote. Raya. Raya taking the ball. 10 seconds. To Villegas. Villegas to Arcanya. Takes a 3. Miss it. Rebounded by 1. Seconds to go. It's black ball. It's a 1-point game. It's a 1-point game.
Magaling sa dribble.
Mirote.
May alam sa...
Fernandez. Wow, ini lang by Fernandez. Wow, by Mirote. Mirote.
Wala kasi yung mga team yan.
Wow. Wow, ini mau dibalik. Violation, why? You walk the ball. You walk the ball. It's black ball.
Really?
Violation by both. The referee shot. The referee shot. Fernandez. Fernandez. To Mirote. Easy shot by Mirote. Rebounded by Arcanya. Arcanya. Block by Sinicero. Arcanya again. Sinicero. Tubog salita. There's a foul. 44 foul.
Hindi kasi suot
One
ng
more.
Mirote, yung anting-anting niya, yung ano niya, fishing. Yung pang fishing niya.
Second foul by number 44.
Yes, oh.
Second foul by number 44. Sinisero. Tubong solidad. Tubong solidad. Intercepted by Black. Again, tubong solidad. Tubong solidad. Tubong solidad. Tubong solidad. Preview to go. To Sinisero, almost gusto. To the Kanay. Light ball by the Kanay.
Tira na, tira!
Venegas. Tumirote. Correct play sila. And Greg Smith. Wala play by Mirote. 24-23. Mga Black.
Mirote!
It's okay. Berata ulit sila. Black by Venegas. Wala defense by Black. Fernandez. 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 Mirote. Analysis by Mirote. 2 by Mirote. Best player, Mirote. Ang galing mo, Mirote. Bongsolidad. 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 To Santos. To Bongsolidad. What a play. Sa 1-point game.
Veteran move.
Two-man game with the 2 guys. Arcana. 2. All day sing.
Yes!
Oh, missed by all day sing. Bongsolidad. 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 Wow, what an intercept. To Fernandez. Fernandez. Fernandez ready to go. Almost to the ball. To Mirote again. Mirote. Another shot. 28-25. 3-point game. It's a 3-point game. 1 and 18 seconds to go. Black team is pulling away because of Mirote. Bongsolidad. Outlet by Mirote. Two-way player. Defense offense by Mirote. Bongsolidad cuts it in. Takes a shot and makes it. Bongsolidad making it happen. Arcana. 50 seconds. 28-27. 1-point game. Arcana. Arcana. To Venegas. Venegas. To Fernandez. To Arcana again. What a play again by Blackteam. 3-point lead. By Blackteam. Seconds to go. Santos. Santos. Outlet by Mirote. Pass by Bongsolidad. 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 Bongsolidad to Jude Presta. Uy! Uy! Miss it! Uy! Seconds to go! Arcana! Seconds to go! Miss it! Mirote again! Take it up! Arcana! Oh! It's a 3-point game.
Sa
3-point game. Lako! To Sing! Sing! Intercepted to the right! Erwin Santos! Erwin Santos! Erwin Santos take a shot! Rebounded by Sing! Rebounded by Sing! Venegas! 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 Arcana! 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 Holding the ball! Arcana! Takes a shot! 2 shot! Who's foul by number 5? 2 shot! Second foul, Erwin! Second foul, Erwin! Erwin, second foul! First shot by Arcana.
Ito galing ako siya.
Makes it! 1-point game.
Bon! Nagkaya kagabi.
What a good free throw hit by the Black.
Mike Davis.
Another shot. Never miss a free throw by the Black team. Momentum. 32-27 is a 5-point game. White. One to miss it. Rebounded by Acanya. Acanya to Fernandez. What a rebound by the black team. Momentum by the black team. Fernandez.
Tatlong oras ng tulog ko.
Two. Sing. To Villegas. What a play. What a cut by Villegas.
Ganda ng
Pulling away.
passes.
4-5-7. Black team is pulling away. Black team is pulling away. Bondok. Who's fouled it? 34 foul.
Napatay si Sin.
On the ground. That's 4 foul. Sing. Your 4 fouls. 4 fouls, Sing. Sing. Warning.
Tan, tan, taran.
Inakta. To one. To Bongsolidad. Handled by Villegas. What a top defense by Villegas. To Inakta. Inakta miss. Who's ball, eh?
Naktamis.
It's a white ball. Inbounded by one. One to Inakta. Inakta fakes. Inakta to Bongsolidad. To one. One to Inakta. Takes a shot. Rebounded by Arcanya. What a rebound by Arcanya. Ryan. Controlling the ball by Ryan. Arcanya. Rotate. 7-point game. 7-point game. Villegas takes a shot. Miss. Air ball by Villegas. Scout Bondok dribbling. Shifting. To Inakta. Inakta takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Villegas. To Raya. Controlling the ball. Raya. To Jimmy Fernandez. Fernandez. Dribbling the ball. To Arcanya. Ay, best player ni Rote. Two. Raya takes a shot. In and out by Raya. What a miss by Raya. Erwin Santos. To Edgar Juan. Loses the ball. It's black ball. Ball by the referee. Momentum by Black. Fernandez making the ball. To Villegas. Villegas right. And makes it. What a shot by Villegas. 9-point lead. Pulling away by Black. Bondok right. And makes it. Wow. Easy by Bondok. Lebron Bondok.
I love you, Sky!
It's a 7-point game. Sabi. I'm out. Sorry. White ball. Sorry. Turn na kayo. Peralta.
Mario, wala ka pang 3!
5-point game. Maria takes a shot. It's a 4-point game.
Hindi na sila!
It's a 4-point game.
Pedros.
Hernandez. Kanya. There's a foul. There's a foul. Number 9 foul. 2 shot. 2 shot. 6-point game. 8 minutes and 44 minutes in our regulation. Free throw. Miss. Kaya Kanya. Another shot. Last shot. Mate, 37-32. It's a 5-point game. 5-point game. It's a 5-point game. Santos. Santos takes a shot. And in and out by Santos. Hernandez. Hernandez dribbling the ball. Rayak! Rayak! To Sing! And make by Sing! What a big shot by Sing! What a big shot by Sing! Bong Solidad! Bong Solidad! Bong Solidad natin by Akanya! What a block by Venegas! What a block by Venegas! Defensive stance by Atake! Last 3 minutes! Akanya! Ayan. One. Rebound. Another rebound. 19 black. White ball.
34!
Rebounds 19. Rebounds 20. Solidad.
Kay Mario!
Solidad.
Bigay kay Mario!
With 30. One.
Uy. Puta, ito yung pumasok.
What a rebound by Judoy. 5-point game. It's a 5-point game. It's a 5-point game.
Plaster mo na! Ikot, ikot!
Foul. Timeout. White.
Pasa nyo kay Mario!
Yeah, but one timeout left. Both team, ha? Sige. 2 balls to give sila. 2 balls to give. Akanya. Akanya. Akanya ng Venegas. Hernandez. Hernandez. Last 2 minutes. It's the twilight zone. It's a 5-point game. 5-point game.
Kay Mario!
5-point game. Yung Peralta Uy. Kevin Santos. Edwin Dry. What a pass! What a play! What a play! Umarang na na mo! Walang pwede natin! What a play! Yung Peralta Uy. Dapat pulkasin. Umalis sa Lizaro. Wow!
Sabi kayo si Mario! Sabi na sa inyo si Mario eh!
Kanina pa sana si Mario, oh!
Kay Mario lang! Mario!
Mario, baba!
Mario, wag ka na to defense!
Atay balon-balonan game.
Ako!
Who's gonna win this game?
Papasa mo sa akin!
Oh, there's a foul.
Wala, hindi mo papasok lang!
Was the 43 foul? Penalty and shooting foul.
No, kailangan papasok lang ni Sin!
Quiet.
Bundok, pasok!
Listo. Don't primo. Bongsolidad, bibigyan mo.
Switch!
Ating Coronel Santos.
Switch!
Bongsolidad. Arin, ang tawag mo. Cenicero, to Bongsolidad. Oblak.
Birtahe mo lamang to.
43 seconds left. 5 seconds shot ka, pare. 5 seconds shot ka. 5 seconds now. 5 seconds. 5 seconds now. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Patirahin mo naman si Mario! Ayaw patirahin si Mario!
Shot clock. Shot clock. Shot clock. Shot clock. Shot clock na eh, Mario. Shot clock na eh. Pare, shot clock. Hindi, shot clock. Shot clock. May possession ba? 2 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds shot clock.
Birtahe mo lamang.
Pwede pa na. Daog pa na. Sa rekinanglan.
Okay. Lock po. Time out. Lock. Time out. Lock. Last time out. Time out. Half-court kayo. Half-court. Judy Fernandez looking for a color. To Benyegas. He needs space. Seconds to go. Benyegas. Woo! What a pass! To Steve! It's a super. Time out. White. Time out. White.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to now. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do the same. I'll be writing things till the last one buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, put up on my body, educate. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people calling me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking smart when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Inbound by Bongsolidad. Simply the ball. 14 seconds shot clock. 16 seconds. Oh! What a shot! Yung pinakawin. There's a foul.
Birtahe ba? Birtahe.
Number 44 foul. 44 foul. Third foul. Third foul. Third foul. Benyegas. Benyegas. Foul. 3 foul. Stop. 54. 54. 54. Kanya foul.
Alam mo, birtahe pa eh.
No more timeout. No more timeout.
7 seconds remaining. 40-41. Black team.
Pare, mga nag-dribble, please. Mag-dribble lang. Kasi ano rin, guard ka rin din. Gusto! Stop dribble. Ako mo yung dribble, alam mo.
Cardiac arrest.
Isa lang pang-registration din.
Depensa!
3 seconds to go.
Depensa!
Screen, screen.
Seconds.
Screen.
Report game. Alright. Lactic wins. Lactic wins. 2 seconds. Teka. What's the call, ref? Just a second. 2 seconds. Sub. Teka, just a second. Sub down, sub. 2 seconds, ha? 2 seconds. Ayan, pasok ito.
Game over. 43-40. Black team wins.